what's up guys, this is Chad from Super Chad Fitness. I'm gonna show you guys 5 exercises that can help you guys achieve your planche, actually to help you guys achieve your tuck planche. So if you can't do a tuck planche kind of looks like this, hands on the ground, knees up, straight arms. So this is a tuck planche. If you're trying to learn how to do that skill so you can eventually learn a planche, these 5 exercises are gonna help you get there, so stay tuned. All right, so first exercise that we're gonna learn is gonna be a frog stand. Frog stand, you're gonna put your hands on the ground. For right now, this moment, since you don't have the strength and we're trying to build that strength, we're gonna focus on bent arms so you can focus more on the balance. So I'm gonna sit down like a puppy. I say it's like a puppy because your hands are in the middle like a puppy dog. You're gonna bend your elbows, put your elbows into your legs where you're applying pressure into your legs. Now from there, I'm gonna start to lean and tip forward a little bit until my feet can come off the ground. And you can keep your arms bent if you need to. There's no need for straight arms yet. We're just trying to learn the balance of being on 2 hands. This is also a really good progression for getting into handstands. Now, once you're good at that and you can hold it for more than 10 seconds and you're doing like 4 sets, breaking 10 seconds each time, it's time to take the level up a little bit. The next exercise, we're gonna try to go into straight arm frog stands so you can upgrade. Notice my arms are gonna stay straight. My legs are still on my elbows, except now my arms are just straight, okay? So this one's a little bit more advanced and a little bit tougher. And you can mix those 2 exercises out, the straight arm frog stand versus the bent arm frog stand. Okay, now next exercise is gonna be a planche lean. So a lot of you guys have probably seen this. You're gonna just put your hands a little bit sideways. I prefer to put my hands sideways like this, that way it doesn't hurt my wrist as much. I'm gonna go down into a push-up position. I'm gonna push my back up to the sky at the same time pushing my hips down. You should feel a squeeze in your glutes or your butt muscles, your bottom muscles. And we're just gonna do a little bit of a lean forward. You don't have to lean very forward. As long as you're feeling the pressure on your shoulders and your biceps, it's good money, okay? Now, if you wanna take it up a notch, of course, try to lean a little bit more forward. And of course, the more that you lean, the tougher it's gonna get. Like I went too far there. Your goal is to try to break 10 seconds. Make it to 10 seconds or break 10 seconds every time. If you feel like you can hold it longer than that, you should be leaning a lot more. And make sure you're keeping your hips down. That is gonna be very important for learning future planche progressions, okay? Now, my last 2 exercises are gonna be more core exercises. This is just gonna reinforce that core strength. That way planches are a lot easier and you never hurt your back or your abs or anything like that. First exercise is gonna be hollow body rocks, but I'm gonna show you how to start them. So first things first, you're gonna lay down on the ground, just flat. You're gonna pick your shoulders off the ground to engage your upper abs. Then you're gonna lift your legs up and you can just hold here, but if you wanna make it a little bit tougher, you can put your arms over your head just like this. And if this is easy, you can actually lift your legs and then lift your top, lift your legs, then lift your tops. And if that's still too easy, you can increase that motion. Lift legs, top, and you end up doing hollow body rocks just like this, okay? That's another good exercise. You can do that for like about 20 reps, 25 reps. Really good endurance exercise, and what you're trying to do is just build that core endurance so that way the planche is a lot easier down line. Last exercise I'm gonna show is gonna be a lower back exercise, just to, like I said, reinforce core strength overall, so to prevent injuries down line. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna lay down and flat on our stomach. We're gonna put our arms up in front of us, and we're just gonna hold a Superman hold, just like this. Goal is to try to break 15 to 20 seconds just to make it an endurance exercise. If this is very easy, you can alternate. You can lift legs, then arms, then legs, then arms. And if that's too easy, you can move a little bit faster and actually do arch body rocks. Just like that. And that leads into the way into some really cool exercises as well. But yeah, guys, I hope that really helped you guys on your planche journey. Try the exercises. If it's a holding exercise, 10 to 15 seconds, that's your main goal. If it's one of the ab endurance exercises, aim for more than 15 seconds or more than 15 to 20 reps just to make it more endurance based. Hope that guys helps you guys. Leave it in the comments below. Until next time.